Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another Unplanned video. It's currently 6:45 a.m. and we're just up watching, well, I'm up watching sunrise, and I'm going to time lapse it for you. It looks pretty special. Let's do it. Right, so just a little update. Got the van out this morning and there was like a wobble and the tyres had deformed, so just had 2 new tyres put on, obviously because here you have to replace them in pairs. It's called the ITV and it's like part of their vehicle like registrations and vehicle like upkeep. You've got to do them in pairs, so they've just been changed. I'm going to go and pick the van up now, and it's like 6 hours till the fiestas start, so that should be pretty cool. Another beautiful day. Just been down the beach, just waiting for an update on the van. I'm just walking up the street now. They've just put the bull in, have a look. Not really, that's just some dude standing in the bullpen. Whew, can you see that sweat? Whew. You know why? Scorchio.
Show him? Yeah? It's like an egg. Here it's good and here it's okay.
Yeah.
Here it's, you see? And here.
Oh wow, yeah. Yeah.
The car was doing like, okay.
Yeah, very bright.
Right, we've got the van away now. Everything's good. Tyres fixed, which is great. Now we're just heading down. Okay, it's now half an hour until the fiestas start. I'm pretty excited. We're just heading up to Shakira's bar now, and then we're going to have a little beer and get ready. And then it's nearly bull run time. Ooh. You've got to love the Spanish people setting fireworks off during the day, daytime. Look at this. So we're just in Bar Marin now, here, and it's €1 for a bottle of San Miguel. They don't drink it anywhere in the Catalan because San Miguel is Spanish. So €1 for a bottle is 80 pence, and it is insane. Bar Marin. Okay, we've just left Bar Marin. It was like €14. We had like 11 beers and a Malibu. Can't complain at those prices. Now it's 19:32. The bulls should be almost released, so we're just walking up this back street and we're going to see.
Loads of people down the square.
We're going to see what we can see.
That's where it says on the programme.
It does say at the square they're going to release the bulls, so we're going to walk down here and have a look. We are in the square and we are about to see the presentation of the bull. I've never seen this place as busy as this right now. This is insane. €1 a bottle. €1. Now it's 8:20 and it's time to see the bulls. Is that rain?
told you to do the race.
There's actually rain happening. The first time we've seen a cloud and there's rain, look. Let's go! This is amazing! Woo! There's the bull. Right here. This is amazing. Right, we've just dropped Ian off down the marina after a lovely little night. I've had a few beers, seen the bull get loaded off the transporter, and we're just heading back from the marina now, so we'll show you the walk on the way. How beautiful is this though? This way, pal. We're just walking back up now, and over here, the Queen tribute band around. This is what 20 to 11 looks like in San Miguel here tonight. Look, absolutely bouncing. Look, this is amazing. Everywhere's so busy. Look at this. Look at Jim.